Tasty recipes with mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is chicken korma. So let's get started. Hot water, poppy seeds, almonds, cashew nuts, melon seeds. Stir and put it aside for 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed, so grind it. Our grinded paste is ready. Cooking oil, ghee, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves. Add these spices in cooking oil. Now add washed chicken. Fry the chicken. Kashmiri mirch, roasted coriander powder, roasted zira powder, salt, turmeric. Stir it for a while. Yogurt. Cook well. Crush the fried onions. Add them in the gravy. Cook properly. Now add this grinded paste. Stir it for a while. Black cardamom, cinnamon, nutmeg. After grinding the spices, our powder is ready. Kura essence. Now add the grinded powder. Cook properly. Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe.